cool. And what's your type?
Egg, egg,
Oh,
egg.
egg. Yeah, we're the same. I also have egg for tonight. So we have the same food tonight. Eggs. Okay, so now ready to start with your class?
Yes.
Okay, so teacher is going to share the screen, okay?
Okay.
And please wait for me and I am sharing your screen. All right, so can you see the screen already?
Yes.
Okay, so for tonight we are going to talk the page 41. Right. Okay, so we're going to do this one. Okay, we have the right. So what you're going to do here, baby Elsa, is you need to write the word to complete the sentence. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, as you can see, there is a picture right here with a numbers. And as you can see, we also have the numbers and missing words. So now, Elsa, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, and you can start now. I don't like juice. Oh, or maybe that is I like pizza. I don't like. I mean, I like. Oh yeah, I don't like. I like. Are you sure with that? As you can see, the hands here point to the pizza. So maybe she liked the juice, but she doesn't like the pizza. Oh. I. Mhm. Okay, I like juice. I don't like pizza. Okay, how about number two? Hmm? What's on? Oh, you change it. Okay, the spelling of one is kind of different. Can you try to look at the spelling, baby, on the word one? Okay, very good. Okay, how about number three? Mm-hmm. What this? What is this? Okay, you are lacking one word here. What? Okay, what do you think is the lacking word? It's go, go, Elsa. Go, go, Elsa. Oh, I have a pimple right here. Mm-hmm. How old? Mm-hmm. Okay, all right, all done? How about here, baby Elsa? How about right here? Where is your answer right here, baby? Okay, can you please complete the sentence? How many dolls? One doll. Okay. How about here? Where is your answer right here? Did you erase it? Oh, where is your answer, baby Elsa? I saw that you already answered with don't lately. Okay, very good. Okay, what's this? Are you sure with number three, baby Elsa? I'll
Yes.
give you time. Are you sure? What's this or what is this? What
What's this?
what's
What's this?
this? What's this? Is kind of different with what is. Okay, so we are going to. Okay, are you final with your answer, baby? Are you final with your answer?
Was.
Final, baby. Is it what's this or what is this? So now, let me have you a definition with both word, okay? So what's this and what is this mean exactly the same thing. Okay, so the difference is mainly in formality and style. So what is this? More formal, clear, and full form, often used in writing, exams, or when you want to sound more careful. Example: what is this document? And what's this is a short form of what is this. So more natural in everyday speech. So yes, what's and what is just okay, but it's up to you if how are you going to use the word to complete the sentence. But very good, Elsa. Okay, so now we have number 4. How old are you? Okay, I'm 8. Okay, how about you, Elsa? How old are you, baby?
7.
Oh, 7. Yes. Okay, so thank you so much for that one, Elsa. Oh, before we continue, since as you can see on the table that it's all about a birthday party and there's a cake, there's a hat, there are balloons. So when is your birthday, baby Elsa? When is your birthday, baby? Do you know when is your birthday? Or what date is your birthday? Or what month?
Is 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 is
Oh, where are you? Oh, where are you, baby? Are you going to ask your mom?
even e
You don't know
e
it in English?
even
November? It's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, how about you, baby Elsa? When is your birthday?
November.
Oh, November. Oh, and what day of November?
Two third
November 2?
third
No,
three three
November
three three
3.
three.
November 3. Oh, okay, November 3. Teacher is actually November 29. Okay, so we are on the same month. All right, so thank you so much, Elsa, for sharing me that one. So now let's continue with the exercise letter D. We have the lesson and the write, then act. So first we are going to lesson, then after that you are going to write. Then after a while we are going to act this out. Okay, baby?
Okay.
Okay.
Page 41. D. Listen and write. Then act. 1,
It's your turn. Thank you.
2,
Here you are. Thank
Here
you.
you are.
You're welcome.
page
Okay,
41.
how about number
D.
2? What's your answer? Here you are. Okay, so now I want you. Okay, so I will be reading this and you will be this one, okay? Okay, then after that one, you are going to read this, then I will be this one, and again, you are going to this one, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, oh wait. Okay. Okay, so this one, as you can see, are you sure with the spelling of thank you? Are you sure with the spelling of thank you, baby? Can you please read? recheck the spelling of the word thank you. Uh-huh. Okay, very good. Okay, so now it's your turn. Again? Okay, I will be reading it. Okay, let's start. Let's start, baby. Ready?
It's your turn.
Okay. Thank
And
you. Okay, thank you. How about number 2?
here you are.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
You will come.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we have here, it's your turn. Thank you. Here you are. Thank you, and you're welcome. So at this point, we are showing politeness. Okay, politeness. So every time that you ask someone, please say thank you after they done that to you, and also please say welcome. And also, another also, please say please every time you ask someone or like you're going to ask them to do this thing for you. Always use the word please. Thank you, you're welcome, and just put a smile in it. Okay, so now, baby, as you can see, we are going to put a check mark. Uh-huh. So now, what can you do? Read and put check. So now we have the happy, which is more likely the highest score. And then the 2, just normal. And the last one is sad. So most likely you don't do it. So now we have the numbers. I can talk about numbers. I can talk about poise. I can talk about value. I can talk about, oh, no, no, no. I can be fair. I can talk about family. I can talk about food, and I can be kind. Okay, so now, baby, what you're going to do is you just need to put a check mark. Okay?
Okay.
Are you ready, baby?
Yes.
Okay, and you can start now. Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. So now on the numbers, yes, yes. Oh, the food. Oh, why it's only here on the food? You don't know all the food? Can you give me or can you name 3 kind of food? Okay, can you please name 3 kind of food? Okay, just 3, baby. Can you give teacher 3 3 name or 3 kind of food? Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Hello.
All right. Okay. So now, baby, can you give me 3 kinds of food? Can you do it? Just 3, baby. 3. Like, for example, 1, egg. We also have noodles. So, what else?
It's
Ah. Okay, can you give me another kind of food?
noodle,
Noodles. Okay, what else? What else, maybe?
chip,
What's
chip.
chip? Oh, a chip. Okay, all right. So thank you so much for that one, Clean. Okay, so now, baby Clean, as much as I wanted to extend the time, but I am so sorry because I still have a class after this. So thank you so much for tonight, baby Clean, and see you again next time. Bye bye, baby. Bye bye. Good night.
Goodbye. Good night.